welcome back to my channel. All I have for you is a new DIY nail tutorial. If you guys want to see the end result, just keep on watching. Bring the salon keys lighting speed acrylic depth. So we're gonna do the acrylics. I have the instructions right here. I never have used this one. I have used the regular acrylic one, but this is what it comes with. So gel activator, and it has a little pump thing. It has the natural and the white tips. It also comes with the dipping powder. It has a kiss brush on gel, and then it has this little block thing, and then it has this one, and then it has this little toothpick thing. And I also have these because you know I usually go get my nails done. The only thing I did not see that it brought, it was the actual it didn't bring the glue on it, which is weird because usually they all have glue. So let me double check here. So prepare your nails. Use acetone-based polish remover to clean nails. Trim length of natural nail to properly fit artificial nail clip. Gently push back cuticles. Light buff nail surface with buff block for best adhesion of overlay. You must also apply to natural nails without tips if you choose. Prepare nails, trim and file to desired shape, length following steps 4 to 13. So yeah, it doesn't have the glue. So let me go ahead and find my glue real quick. And as you can tell, my nails are disgusting because I took the ones that I had on them. But yeah, let me find some glue and then we can get. So I found a glue that I had. So we're gonna go ahead and just buff our nails with a little pink area right here. And just take just clean them really fast. I don't need to buff them that much because mine are already damaged as they are right now. So I'm just gonna lightly do this to all my nails. I also need to find the freaking acetone. I forgot to grab that. So let me do this real quick. Buff the other area. So like I said, I'm going to do it really lightly because my nails are really, really thin. So let me go ahead and find the acetone real quick and then let me... Hey guys, I found this professional remover. 100% pure acetone. This one you can find it at Walmart. I don't remember how much it was, but I believe it was like $1.99 or something. It wasn't that expensive. I'll go and put it on the description down below as well for you guys. So let me go ahead and clean these off real fast. It feels so cold, guys, on my freaking poor nails. So next thing we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and... I think I'm going to do the white tip for today. I want to do the regular tip. Maybe I should. I think I should do the white tip. you have your nails already in place, so you're gonna trim them to your desired length. So I'm gonna do right there. Then you can use whatever, but I'm using the scissors because it's way easier for me to cut my nails this way. Alright, after you cut them, you either can shape them with this as well, or just use this thing and just shape them to the desired shape that you want. After you have your desired length and shape, go ahead and wash your hands, and then we're gonna get started with the actual acrylic. After you're done with that, what we're gonna do now is just try to clean and take everything out from here, like all the... So just clean your work area. And then we're gonna start with, let's see, let me try to read these real quick. Just say to brush on the brush on gel, and then just dip them into the dip powder. So it depends on how thick do you want your nail, I guess. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, so let's start with the little pinky. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, and then we're just gonna brush it. And we're gonna dip it into the powder. Go ahead and just tap it. Go ahead and brush it one more time, I'm guessing. Okay, so before you dip it again into the activator, go ahead and brush it out. Clean it and then dip it one more time. The extra powder. So that's the second time. I think I'm gonna do it one more time just in case, just to make them a little bit thicker. And yes, so go ahead and just brush it on. It gets really tacky really fast. So go ahead and clean it one more time. I just feel like you need to clean it. And then you got all of it. So brush it one more time, I think. We're just gonna do one more brush to get everything like all the nail. And then it says we have done it twice, so I think I'm gonna do it one more time. Just to give it that extra, you know? Just in case. I don't want them to fall off like right away. And I'm going to brush this thing one more time on it. Okay, so clean it up one more time. Sorry, I was gonna put it on there already. And then it says to spray the activator. Oh my god, I fucking throw it on my freaking pants. Okay. Ugh. Okay, so God, this thing is strong. So be careful. And open it and just spray it. Okay, and then it says buff to finish. So I guess you have to buff it with this blue, but let me go ahead and finish all the nails, and then I can do all of them at the same time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that.
Guys, so let me show you this. I barely did one hand and this thing already broke the little thing, the brush thing. So I'm only done with one hand. I try to do this one without the little thing, so I'm gonna try to do the other ones as well and see, hopefully they come out good. So far I'm having issues with it, but we're gonna try to make it work because I spent like $15 on this, so I'm like, I'm not about to just not finish it. I still have to do this hand though. Okay, so let me finish everything else and I'll let you guys know what I think of it, how long they're gonna last me, and things like that, okay?
Guys, so I followed down and did the shape. There are, honestly, with you guys, I think doing the regular acrylic is way better than this because, like, as you guys saw, the freaking thing all broke. I couldn't even finish the other hand. The other hand looks scrappy as fuck. But I'm gonna try to make them better. Hopefully, once I paint them and stuff, they look better. But as of right now, I hate this kit. I wouldn't recommend it. It's $15. So if you guys have tried this, and then if I did something wrong, let me know in the comments down below as well. But so far, I don't like it at all. I'd rather stay with the regular acrylic than doing this. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will let you guys know how long they last me, if they're gonna break really fast. I'll probably do like maybe a few days after their break or something. I'll let you guys know what happened. And so yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.